मेरी हयात मेरी हयात मोहम्मद के नाम लिख लेना। मेरी हयात मोहम्मद के नाम लिख देना। मेरी हयात मोहम्मद के नाम लिख देना। मेरे कफ़न पे दुरूद सलाम लिख देना। मेरे कफ़न पे दरूद सलाम लिख देना। मेरी हयात मोहम्मद के नाम लिख देना। Dear viewer, today my contents about the painful voice, how the painful and how the feeling of our voice. And not we used to and all the backgrounds of holy prophets and not when feelings emotions painful voice. How today my this content, please first of all subscribe my YouTube channel also. And this was Hazrat Muzaffar Wasti, his poetry in these writtens. And this styles is it is separates, and it is a separate individuality of Naats reciting. Naat sings is different separates styles of Naats. And he adopt to these great poets, and others his poetry is just like to words painfuls and emotional voice. And this emotional voice in this type you can learn in this voice and painfuls, and this way you can practice different repetitions of the Naats and Misra and different Kafia and different Misra you can revise. There is different words just like to I used to in their Antra, different their Antra, and you can use just like to मेरे कफन पे you feeling you not, and you just like to feelings show. मेरे कफन पे दुरूद सलाम लिख देना। मेरी हयात मोहम्मद के नाम लिख देना। हो जब हश्र सेरे आशिकां तैयार, हो जब हश्र सेरे आशिकां तैयार, मुझे भी बंदो बंदे खैरो नाम लिख देना। मुझे भी मंदाए खैर अनाम लिख देना मुझ मुझे भी बंदे खैर अनाम लिख देना. These eats and these painful voice, different painful voice. In this way, you can practice. This was great poets of Muzaffar Wasti and painful voice, and you can write to different words and study and different words with painful voice and different notes, different skills. And these skills, please subscribe my YouTube channels and give to comments. And this way, you can practice and you can learn these teachings of the Naats and Natwani, how the painful voice. Today, my topic. This was. Thank for watching.